The most exceptional Android phones now boast incredibly brilliant displays with ultra-high resolutions and refresh rates of up to 120 Hz. Samsung's display division leads the way in OLED technology and provides screens to nearly all major smartphone manufacturers. In recent years, China's BOE has emerged as an alternative OLED supplier for many companies, though its panels have consistently lagged behind Samsung by a generation or two. However, with the upcoming ONEPLUS 12, this might change. The most exceptional Android phones now boast incredibly brilliant displays with ultra-high resolutions and refresh rates of up to 120 Hz. Samsung's display division leads the way in OLED technology and provides screens to nearly all major smartphone manufacturers. In recent years, China's BOE has emerged as an alternative OLED supplier for many companies, though its panels have consistently lagged behind Samsung by a generation or two. However, with the upcoming ONEPLUS 12, this might change. During an event in China held on October 24, BOE and ONEPLUS unveiled the X1 OLED panel that will be featured in the upcoming ONEPLUS 12. This panel is expected to offer a 2K resolution and a peak brightness exceeding 2,600 nits, positioning it as the brightest screen in the world. To put this in context, the ONEPLUS 11's display has a peak brightness of 1,300 nits, and even the Google Pixel 8 Pro's screen tops out at 2,400 nits. Remarkably, despite these remarkable specifications, the 120 Hz panel is projected to consume 13% less power while delivering a 90% performance boost thanks to a new Display P1 chip. Notably, while the forthcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra might abandon the curved screen design, the ONEPLUS 12 will continue to employ a curved panel. BOE also claims that its X1 OLED is the world's longest-lasting OLED 2K screen. To add to the excitement, ONEPLUS asserts that the display will set 18 records, including 6 technological breakthroughs, although these weren't elaborated upon. The company also states that the panel has received an A+ rating in DisplayMate's testing. It appears that the device showcased by BOE and ONEPLUS at the event is indeed the ONEPLUS 12. If this holds true, ONEPLUS may reintroduce the alert slider on its next flagship and relocate the power and volume keys to the right side of the device. However, this contradicts leaked renders of the phone which depict the power button and alert slider on the right side. The latter source, known for its reliability, is more likely to provide accurate information. Apart from the ONEPLUS 12, the firm owned by BBK also confirmed the display specifications of the ONEPLUS Ace 3. This phone is expected to be marketed as the ONEPLUS 12R in India and select Asian markets and will feature a BOE X series OLED panel with a 1.5K resolution. Additionally, OnePlus has confirmed that the upcoming ONEPLUS 12 will be equipped with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. The ONEPLUS 12 is rumored to launch in China in December this year, with a global debut early next year. A recent leak suggests the phone could address several of the shortcomings of the ONEPLUS 11, including 50-bit wireless charging, an IR blaster, and a significantly improved 3x telephoto camera. How will the ONEPLUS 12's cutting-edge BOE X1 OLED panel with its extraordinary brightness and efficiency affect the smartphone market? You let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.